Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Electrolux compact condensing dryer and on the display it's giving you an E5C error and you are trying to figure out, well, what is this error and what do I need to do to get rid of it? So first of all, what this error is basically an excessive voltage error. So especially to the drive motor, if the drive motor is getting too much voltage, it can cause you might even notice before you got this, your dryer started to shake or something like that because the motor was spinning so fast because it was getting just too much juice. So what you need to do is, first of all, check and make sure that the error is not external to the dryer, i.e. the excess voltage is not coming from your outlet or from your power source. So you can check the outlet and make sure you're not getting in excess of 240 volts out of that outlet. If you are, you're going to need to get the outlet fixed by an electrician or yourself. If it is under the 240, then it's going to be probably the inverter board that is sending too much juice to the drive motor, and you will need to replace the inverter board.